Hey guys, Jameson with AJ here, and today we are going to be opening up mail. Not that much because I'm a beginner, but yeah. So, thank you. This is by Rain, Firex, Gil, Adher. This is from Frisco123. Dragon Wings, thank you, Frisco. I really like Dragon Wings. Funny me too. Thank you for the window. I'll hold on to this, and I promise I'll hold on to it. Hannah. Thank you, Hannah. Oh, yay. Oh, no. Alright. HDVT. Oh, yeah, I don't have enough. Okay. Any good item I will save for you guys. An item. Oh, it's still by the way. I'm scary animals. I can take those. It's still here. Yeah, these are my video. Oh my gosh. Don't hear them please. Okay, I promise. Well, thank you guys. This is for the gifts. And this is a really small video. But, you know, oh well. I'll see you guys soon, and I hope you like. Bye!